Hi, my name is Dan Goldsmit, and I want to tell you about ecom PowerScript. I've been doing business for a long time, and I can tell you from my experience that the difference between an e-commerce store that actually does profit than from one that is a failure is the number one component is having very good email marketing, meaning having very good scripts with very well written copy, which you must know it's very challenging. And I can tell you from my experience that 50% of our sales across all the different e-commerce stores that we've done in the past, half of the sales, 50% of the sales come from email marketing. So if you don't have this solved, you need to fix it right now. And the reason I'm shooting this video is because I want to tell you about how ecom PowerScript can help you do this, because instead of sitting down trying to write your own copy, which is very difficult and it's a challenge, when you use this tool, you can basically just put a little bit of information about your store, about your product, and in a couple minutes you already have the scripts very well written, and this can be the key difference between having an online store and having an online store that is successful and having one that is not successful. So don't even think about it. If you are in this business, if you're in the e-commerce game and you want to have a successful store, this is what you're looking for. It's very difficult to write copy on your own. I can tell you from many years of experience. And if you're seeing this page, definitely ecom PowerScript can make the whole difference between having a successful e-com store and having a failed one. So don't even think about it. This is the right solution for what you're looking for. Go ahead. I recommend it 100%.